Oh, my foot is asleep. Oh my god. I'm just here watching my papers blowing. Okay. Alrighty. I also love The Rock. Alright, and the wind is kicking. You see my pineapple is blowing all over the place. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided that I would love to share a little bit about myself with you guys. I've been making these videos for a few weeks now and I feel that though I've shared a lot of myself, I haven't shared enough. I'm actually outside filming today because it was kind of cool. So I was like, hey, let's take advantage of the coolness because it is summer here in Jamaica. So yeah, I am gonna be doing the TMI tag. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kimberly and this is Enhance with Kimberly. I upload a new video every single week. So if you want to see more from me, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so that you never miss when I make an upload. So let's get on with the tag. So I have the questions printed off right here. What are you wearing? I am wearing this tank top and some ripped shorts. Have you ever been in love? Yeah, I'm in love right now. Ever had a terrible breakup? Yeah, but I mean, it's a part of life. How tall are you? I am 5'6". Not short, not tall, I'm right in between. How much do you weigh? I actually haven't weighed myself in a very long time, to be honest. But I'm 32, like between 130 and 135. My favorite show, that kind of changes. One show that really comes to mind is The 100. I'm really obsessed with The 100. I found out about it and I binge watched it with Hakeem. I love the Jackson 5. And if I'm to stretch it out further and include like the oldies, because I love music from the 60s, 70s, 80s, I would say The Temptations. Something you miss. Kind of miss the 90s. Is that weird? I miss my youth. I miss playing outside and not having a care in the world, not having to worry about bills. Favorite song. My favorite song of all time is Human Nature by Michael Jackson. That is one song that always gets me. It's like when it comes in like I'm like, how old are you? I'm 25 and I'm so happy to be 25. I'm not the type of person that would ever be ashamed of telling their age. It's just weird to me. What is your zodiac sign? I'm a Gemini. Quality you look for in a partner. Kindness. And I need someone that knows the Lord, is compassionate and understanding. So I gave you 4, but favorite actor. My favorite actor would probably have to be The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, because I just love how I love his story, triumphant, working hard and getting where you need to go. Favorite color. My favorite color is pink. Yeah. Loud music or soft music? Soft music, like from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, even 90s. Where do you go when you're sad? My bed. I try not to stay sad for too long. How long does it take you to shower? It takes me about, it doesn't take me that long, probably 3 minutes. How long does it take you to get ready in the mornings? Depends on how much time I have, to be honest. If I'm working with like an hour, alright, let's say it takes me about an hour and a half to get ready in the mornings. The night before, I'll take out what I'm gonna wear, and then in the mornings, it's the makeup part that kind of gets me. So, ever been in a physical fight? Yeah, I have. I'm gangster. Yeah, I'm joking. I have. With my little sister. You know, you fight with your little sister. But what's my biggest turn on? My biggest turn on is probably conversation, and I like nice smells. Kim smells really good. Biggest turn off. Alright, so biggest turn off is a persons that have no manners. They just come in and act so snobby. For a man with no pockets in his pants. I know that's weird, but that's like a huge turn off for me, because like if you have no pockets in your pants, that means you have no care in the world. Like you don't have a wallet, you don't have anything to carry, like you're just going around willy-nilly. You need to put pockets in your pants, man. Like no. No. Reason I joined YouTube. What is the reason I joined YouTube? The reason I joined YouTube was because I wanted to push myself to do something that I was very afraid of. And it's the biggest way to get yourself out there. I also felt like I had something to say. With a lot of the videos that I put up, it's about how to do something, how to make yourself like more confident, or how I put on my makeup. Maybe that helps someone. I felt that it would be a great space to start a nice community, a positive community, and to put positive content out there into the world. So I'm really grateful for those who have subscribed and those who are with me. So what are my biggest fears? Failure and the dark, and snakes and mice. So yeah, I have 4 biggest fears, but I don't want to fail at anything I do. I'm getting a lot better at the dark. I can actually sleep in the dark, but the TV has to be on. The last time I said I loved someone, today I tell Hakeem I love him every day. I originally had an e-magazine feature called Enhanced with Kimberley, and I was writing for that e-magazine. It was called Page at the time. So I decided to just use the name. I just wanted to create a name that would reflect the space. Enhanced with Kimberley, being your best self, enhancing yourself. And yeah, that's why I chose the name. Last book you read? My Bible. You're currently reading the Bible. The last show you watched? Last show I watched was CSI Miami. Last person you talked to? You guys! Well, yeah, you guys, but Akeem. Yeah, he was the last person I spoke to. Favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Hands down pizza. I could eat pizza every single day. Place you want to visit? Okay, to be honest, I would go anywhere that's cold right now because I don't like the summer. Last place you were? Okay, the last place I was inside of my home. Last time you kissed someone? Today. Yeah, I kissed me boo. Favorite flavor of sweet? Probably anything fruity. That's probably the only thing I love about summer, is the fact that it's mango time and the mangoes are just so sweet. What instruments do you play? I used to play the recorder when I was growing up, but I stopped that. But one instrument I do play, I guess, is probably my throat. I sing. Let me give you a piece. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Just a little tiny piece. I didn't even warm up, so that's probably not the best way. Favorite piece of jewelry? I definitely have to say earrings. I cannot go a day without wearing earrings. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, to be honest. The last question is, who should answer these questions next? Everybody who's watching this video. Yeah, I'm tagging everybody who's watching this video. But yeah, that's my TMI tag. I hope you guys enjoyed learning more about me. So I really enjoy sharing these pieces of myself with you, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. Comment below. Tell me some stuff about yourself. You can answer the questions as well in the below, any question you want to answer. And if you have requests for videos, leave those in the comments as well. And you can also email me at enhancedwithkimberley@gmail.com. If you want to share this video, sharing is caring. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos on all things girly, positive, uplifting, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. XO. Mwah.